Some of you might accidentally delete iMessage conversations that are very important, and maybe you had never backed them up before. Now the question is, can you recover the deleted iMessages when there's no backup? The answer is yes. iPhone saves data on a database called SQLite. When you delete iMessages, it just changes from allocated to unallocated, but leaves the actual data sitting there. Someday, when you create new data, the space for the unallocated entries will be firstly occupied and overwritten with new information. Next, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted iMessages without backup in this video. To securely recover the deleted iMessages, you need the assistance of third-party tool. DBAC is an ideal choice, since it can thoroughly scan your iPhone for the deleted or lost iMessages and recover them with a few simple steps. Just follow these steps to recover your deleted iMessages. Step 1. Download DBAC on your PC, install and launch it. Choose Recover from iOS device. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the PC with the Lightning cable. Step 3. In the next pop-up window, choose the data type Messages. Then DBAC will analyze and automatically scan your iPhone. This process might take some time, depending on the capability of the computer and the storage of your iPhone. Step 4. After the scan, all the messages will be displayed orderly on the screen, and the deleted iMessages are marked with red deletion icons. Choose the iMessages you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Recovering deleted iMessages without backup is quick and simple with the help of iMyFone DBAC. Besides, it can recover many other data types on iPhone, regardless of the iPhone models and iOS versions. If you have any question about data recovery, please leave your comment below. We'll try our best to help you as soon as we can. Give us a thumbs up and share this video if you like it. Thank you for your time.